In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a purchase indent in Kloud. A purchase indent is created whenever there is a specific requirement within an organization. In order to create this, we will first navigate to the transaction and then click Purchase Indent. To begin entering details for your purchase indent, click the New button. The very first, click on the Location field and press F2 button. A pop-up will appear where you must select the location. Next, click on the Item ID field and press the F2 button. A pop-up will appear where you must select the item. Here, all details regarding the item's data are displayed. Now, the user must enter the quantity and item remarks. Click on the Attachment section, click on the Browser button and upload the related images. At last, saving all the above-mentioned details will lead us to successfully complete our purchase indent. You can now find the purchase indent by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. Furthermore, if you wish to change the purchase indent, click the Revise button and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. Record saved successfully.